excuse the pie, folks. It's all part of the show. And now a man who needs no introduction. So what am I doing out here? Ladies and gentlemen, Roger Moore! No!
Come sit, Roger. Roger, I'm so glad you asked me up here.
Well, actually, I didn't ask.
Oh, Roger, mon amour, you know we are meant to be, vous et moi.
Vous et moi, nous.
Huh?
We.
Oh, oui.
What are you trying to say, Miss Peggy?
I'd love to get you, Roger, on a slow boat to China. All to myself, alone.
I can't believe it. She's singing to me.
Get you and keep you in my arms evermore.
Look, Peggy, I must be honest. I have a date.
Leave all your ladies. Oh, we've been on the faraway shore.
Yes, but what about Kermit? He's your true love.
Out on the briny, oh, Roger, with the moon, big and shiny.
But I'm not green. I don't have flippers.
Melting your heart of stone.
Just look, my eyes don't bulge. I don't eat flies. I'm not your type.
Oh, I'd like to take you on a slow boat to China.
Peggy, you are wrinkling the lapels.
All to myself, alone.
Please, you really must stop.
Oh, Roger, I know what you're thinking.
I doubt that.
Yes, you're thinking that you are a man and I am a pig.
Why would I think that?
Oh, Roger, silly dear Roger, it can work. Roger, we can make it work, yes.
But I don't want to make it work.
I'd love to get you on a slow boat to China.
Not even Concord.
All to myself, alone.
Peggy, my date will be here any second.
All to myself,
Please, Miss Peggy. Peggy, you'll ruin your makeup.
Roger, I'm here.
Sue, how lovely you look.
This is your date?
Yes, we're going to the opening of Hamlet. Put off the lights, will you?
Quite a touching scene. 007 and 700.
700? Is that Miss Piggy's code name?
No, it's her weight.
Her weight!